A student is an abbreviation of mahasiswa, which means one level above a pupil. In the academic world, a student is required to master a knowledge in accordance with chosen field of study. One of the main source of knowledge is reading or literacy. Literacy doesn't not only mean reading books or reading journal, but also accessing news and information on the internet. Specifically, as a statistics student, it is necessary to literacy across various aspects because statistics is closely related to exciting data that must be analyzed and interpreted in accordance with established standard. According to information from National Library 2024, the Community Literacy Development Index or IPLM saw significant progress, reaching 73.52%. This research indicates that the effort to improve literacy in the community are beginning to show results, particularly in the term of the availability of a reading facility and improving basic reading skill. In line with this situation, information regarding the statistical literacy of new student college from our team survey also reflect the state of literacy at the higher education level. According to the research, 50.79% of new students fall into the understand category, 31.67% fall into the very understand category, and 10.5% fall into very understand category. Regarding the data indicate that although most students have a good basic understanding of the statistical concept, there is still room for improvement, particularly in increasing the quality of depth of statistical literacy across the board.
As new student in the Department of Statistics, having the ability to understand data is a fundamental skill that must be mastered. However, in reality, there are several challenges that still hinder the learning process. The first issue is the lack of understanding of basic statistical concepts. Many students are still unfamiliar with foundational topics such as data types, measures of central tendency, or measures of dispersion. The second issue is the weak connection between theory and practice. Students often struggle when asked to apply statistical knowledge to real-world data or everyday situations. And the third issue is the limited ability to interpret and visualize data. In fact, being able to analyze the meaning behind numbers and present data through clear and effective visual in the core of statistical itself. This issue became the main focus of this research on statistical literacy among new statistics students. The goal is to improve learning strategies so that students become more analytical, critical, and ready to face challenges in the world of data.
Okay, in conducting the research, the first step took was to develop a questionnaire on the statistical literacy level of new students, with respondents being statistics students at Universitas Brawijaya from the class of 2025. Next, we conduct interview to implement the research finding, as well conducting a literature study from several journals to ensure the accuracy of the result. After all the data was collected, we process and analysis, and the result we then use as a reference in the production of the video.
Kenapa bisa kayak gini? Coba deh bentar deh, kita bandingin dulu deh nilainya. Jelek banget. Ini harusnya bisa nih kalau nggak masukin angka.
Tapi bagus, ya udah.
Ya, kita main dulu ya. Oh, rumusnya tuh kayak gini. Nah, ini kayaknya salah baca tabel. Coba kita cari tahu. Coba kita cek gitu deh. Kita undang wawancara.
Si Ardi WhatsApp aku, dia ngajakin kita wawancara.
Boleh, ayo. Can ask you a question about statistics? Okay. Thank you for your time, and I ask you in your opinion about statistics.
I think statistics is about the science of analyzing, processing, and collecting data.
Okay. The next question.
My question is, how important do you think statistical skills are in college and in everyday life? I think it's important, but I rarely use it, and mostly I just use it for college assignment.
Next question is, before entering college, have you ever learned or used statistics at school or anywhere?
Yes, I've learned the basic of statistics in high school.
When learning statistical concepts such as average and probability, how do you feel? Do you find them easy, difficult, or challenging?
I think it's mostly challenging for me, and sometimes I get a bit confused and afraid of making calculation mistakes.
Okay, and in your opinion, what's the best way for a new student to better understand and become more interested in learning statistics?
Maybe we can use real life examples and practicing with it using everyday data.
Thank you so much for your time and answer. I hope this study can help improve the way statistics is taught at our university. The strategy to improve statistical literacy among first-year students based on the survey result include strengthening theoretical concepts, applying statistics in real-life situation, mastering mathematical calculation, and providing training in statistical software. A solid understanding of theory helps build a strong foundation. Real-world application makes statistics more relevant. Calculation skills enhance accuracy, and the use of software support efficient analysis. By integrating these four aspects, student statistical literacy can be improved more effectively. Thank you.
Oh, jadi gini caranya. Baru tahu ya kayak gitu. Kenapa guys?
Ladies and gentlemen, from the result of our research, we have come to one crucial conclusion. The statistical understanding among new students is actually quite diverse. It is true that some of them have a good grasp of the basic concept, which is positive. But however, unfortunately, the majority still struggle when they have to apply reasoning or use the statistical concept in real life situation. For example, when analyzing data to make decision, there is a gap between the theory they learn and its practical application. Given this condition, we believe that reinforcement must be carried out immediately, and it has to start from right now, the beginning of their studies. We cannot delay this any longer. Why is this important? Because statistics is not just about number and formula. It is a vital tool that enable students to think more critically and to get used to making decisions that are truly supported by data, not just assumption. With this foundation, they will be genuinely ready to face challenges in the academic world and of course when they enter the professional world later on. This reinforcement is an investment in their future. So that's all from us, Tip 10. Thank you very much and goodbye.